Hello. We bought a new toy, a DJI Mic Mini. We've been using the Holland cordless mics, but on our last trip, we lost one.
I lost it. But I was very sick, so in my defence.
So, instead of using just one mic, we went and bought this. This is supposed to be a really good microphone setup too, because a lot of the times I forget to turn the receiver on, or the mic on. Let's take the plastic off. With these mics, apparently, they turn on and off when the camera turns on and off, so less things to remember when I'm filming. So let's open it up and have a look. Instruction manual in its own little bag, which is good. Now let's see what's in here. Okay, so it comes in a protective plastic case. Another little instruction booklet. It's got a handy little carry pouch. So this is the little carry case it comes in. It's got a USB-C port at the back here to charge it. You press down to open it. That's your tiny little receiver. It's got a volume control on here. I haven't used them yet. So next video we're going to use them and see what they're like. Oh my God, look how small that is. That's your microphone. This is the Holy Land. You get two little mics. They've got on and off buttons. The usual, the noise reduction as well. I just got to figure out how to put it back in. That goes in like that. I think that goes in like that. The charging port goes down the bottom, obviously. It's got a USB-C adapter, so you can plug it straight into your phone, I guess. It fits in there nicely. That's also got a USB to plug it into the camera. Volume control. How does that go in? That goes in this way to charge. That's how it sits inside the case. You close it up and you open it like that. It's got LEDs on the front here to show you if it's full, if it's charged or not. That's not charged yet, so I'm going to have to charge it up. Now what else have we got? You got 4 dead cats. So you got these little dead cats for wind resistance. They just clip into place like so. Don't know if you heard the click, so it won't fall off. That's one, and the other dead cat is a grey one. This is a bit smaller than the black one, so I'm assuming they click into place too, as you can see. So you got your 2 little dead cats, and they click off too. Very easily taken off. Put them back in the charging case. Put that back in the charging case. Take the dead cats off. And this little bag's got your usual cables. So it's got your charging cable and your cable that goes from the receiver into the camera. And that's it. So we've got DJI Mini Mics, and the next video we'll be using these guys. Boom, and just like that, Angie's here.
Okay, I don't know if Kevin's new toy is going to be worth it. Hopefully I won't lose it this time. It's supposed to have a lanyard too, but I can't see it anywhere, so obviously we have to buy one. But as of now, we don't know how they're going to work, but in about a month's time, we're going on a cruise to the Pacific Islands for our 10-year anniversary.
Yeah, 10 years, can you believe it?
10 years, yeah, we've been married 10 years, wow. And we'll test it out then and we'll let you know how it goes.
For sure.
So have fun with your new toy.
I will.